All right. Hello, everyone. It's Miss Lynn Eisen. Real quick video on how to use Cami. So what we're going to do today is we're going to use Cami to fill in a PDF. If you do not already have Cami installed, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to to go to your browser and look for the extension. And then when you click on it, it's Cami, K-A-M-I. You're going to click on it and it's going to say, mine's not going to say add extension because I already have it. So it says remove from Chrome. That's pretty much it as far as installing it. Then when you go to your assignments, um, you will see the assignment, Moving Man Graphing Motion Introduction. You're going to click on the assignment, of course. When you scroll over this, it's going to say open the assignment with Cami. You're going to click on that link and it's going to shockingly open the assignment in Cami. And then what you're going to do from that point, my computer is really extra special today. It is going to open it up at some point. What this is going to allow you to do is going to allow you to um, annotate. It's going to allow you to draw. Like I've already done a little bit here. I need to erase this. So let me show you how to erase something. You just take your eraser and you click over it and it erases what's already there. You have a drawing tool. You have, when you go down here, no, I guess you just kind of disregard that little thing. I'm not going to worry about it. You just open up a text box. It allows you to type in it just like you would a normal, just like if you're typing in a document. It allows you to do all kinds of different things. So then once you have it done, you are going to go to this right here that says turn in, and you're going to turn it in. Then I will be able to see it in Schoology. So that's all you have to do to create a document edit a document in Cami. All right. Thank you very much. I hope that helped. Have a great